This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Chryslers at Carlisle. Checking out a little bit of MOPAR crazy-ass muscle here. This is a... This is remarkable. You talk about real lightweights. Oh, I love that little pentagon up there. These are even strip the interiors. What's funny is that they make the car of aluminum, they'll use fiberglass, but they leave the interiors. I just don't understand that. The windows are not glass, they are replaced. That's good, because those things weigh a ton. Oh, look at this old girl. Another lightweight. Wow. Where else are you going to see not one, but a whole bunch of lightweights? So interesting the way how they've got the throttle. Gee, maybe I should rap on it and see if that's really a lightweight. I don't think so. That is amazing. No worries, no worries. Unusual to see an air cleaner, isn't it? There you go, no back seat. Now we're getting down to brass tacks. 65. Lovely. Now there's an interesting air cleaner for you. I guess when the engine starts, the wheels start turning to cram more air in. This is an A990 purpose-built race car, 426, dual 4 barrels, 727 reverse pattern, column shift automatic, original driver Jack Ferris and Bob Mace. 65 UDRA Midwest Champion Super Stock Eliminator. Excuse me? Nice restoration project. Excuse me? Number 3 built on race cars. Wow. Found in the field. And there's the field itself. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Chryslers at Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And remember, while you're there, post and promote your events. Promote local and post local. I'll see you at the shows.